Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 2 of week 2 and we will continue with chapter 6. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In the previous lesson we have covered authentication and authorization, authorized and unauthorized access. Authentication means identifying a person and authorization is the approval of that authentication and giving access to someone to give to someone. And authorized and unauthorized access means authorized meaning someone gains access after approval of identification, and unauthorized access means someone gains access without approval of identification. Today we will discuss about various authentication methodologies. There are 4 basic authentication methodologies: username and password, personal identification number, access card and biometrics. Username and password. Username is the name that identify a person on computer system, and password is the secret code. Username is known to everybody and password is only known to the only known to the owner of that account. Username and password is known as login information. These are used to authorize the users to have access to computer systems, email account, bank account and other services available. Personal identification number or PIN. It is a confidential numeric password used to authenticate a user to get access to a computer system. When user enters the PIN, it is searched in the database stored in the computer. If it matches, the user is authorized to use the system. Access card. They don't require username and password and they resembles debit and credit cards. They are used to open the security gates where unauthorized users are not allowed to enter, and they are also used to open barriers in parking. Biometrics. This is the modern way of authentication. It refers to the physical characteristics of the individual such as features of face, hand, geometry and voice and fingerprints. It is highly secure method. Biometrics is based systems are used for financial transactions, in electronic banking and personal data privacy. It provides more accurate authentication than using password and username. It is associated with a particular individual, hence it cannot be borrowed or stolen. Now I will discuss the review of today's lecture. I will give you a review of today's lecture. Authentication methodologies. We have discussed 4 authentication methodologies: username and password, PIN, access card and biometrics. Username and password provides a combination for approval of identification, and PIN is a confidential numeric code used for debit or credit card authentication. Access cards are like debit cards, but they are used to opening the security gates or barriers in the parking where unauthorized users are not allowed to enter. Biometrics, it provides highly secure authentication because it is based on physical characteristics of humans and it cannot be borrowed or stolen. Assignment. What are the common methodologies used for authentication? You have to discuss these 4 methodologies. And which authentication method provide highly secure identification? You know that biometrics provide the highly secure identification. This is the end of our lecture. Hope we will meet again. Thanks.